Choosing the right fertilizer can be overwhelming. In today's video, I'm going to arm you with some basic knowledge about fertilizer so that you can feel confident that you're making the right choice. As you walk into the big box store, you see all of your options. Every bag promises something different. Stop. Back up. Before we ever step foot in a store, we need to know how many square feet our lawn is. Everything we do in the lawn is based off this measurement. So take your time and let's get it right. I'll link to a website below where you can enter in your address, point and click, and it'll tell you approximately how many square feet your lawn is. I recently made a video of how to do this the old-fashioned way. It's probably the most accurate and the way that I recommend you do it. So make sure you check that video out. The first question we need to ask ourselves is how much food do we want to feed our lawn? Nitrogen is the main food source. It's what makes our grass green and grow. And so the more nitrogen, the more our grass is going to grow. Depending on the time of year and your grass type, we typically want to feed the lawn anywhere between half a pound to 3/4 of a pound of nitrogen every 30 to 45 days. I will caution you though, if you have a cool season lawn in the middle of summer, typically you don't want to apply more than 1/4 pound of nitrogen per 1,000. Think about having a big Thanksgiving meal with turkey and stuffing, gravy and mashed potatoes right in the middle of summer when it's 100 degrees outside. That's exactly how your lawn would feel eating a big meal right in the middle of the summer. So now that you've determined how much food you want to feed your lawn, let's say half a pound of nitrogen per 1,000, and we've measured your lawn, say 4,000 square feet, that's 4 1,000 square foot sections. We know that we're looking for a fertilizer that has at least 2 pounds of nitrogen. That's 4 times 0.5 equals 2. Now let's look at a bag of fertilizer to determine how much nitrogen is in this bag. It's super easy. We just got to know a couple things. The first thing we got to know is the bag weight. And in this case, it's 32 pounds. The next thing we got to know is the percentage of nitrogen in the bag. Every bag of fertilizer is going to have 3 numbers on it. The first number represents the percentage of nitrogen, the second number represents the amount of phosphorus, and the last number represents the amount of potassium or potash. And in this bag, there's 6%. 6% nitrogen in this bag at 32 pounds. So now all we have to do is take 32 pounds times 0.06, and that equals 1.92 pounds of nitrogen. So in this entire bag, there is 1.92 pounds of nitrogen. So now, when you walk in the store, you'll be able to calculate which fertilizer best fits your lawn. Every bag of fertilizer will have what they call a bag rate. This is what the manufacturer recommends that you apply that fertilizer at. No longer do you have to worry about that. You have your own plan now. As you gain confidence and learn how these fertilizers react to your lawn, try going 1/4 pound every 2 weeks or half a pound every 30 days. Have fun with it. After all, this is DIY lawn care. Let me address the elephant in the room, something that most people new to lawn care are concerned about, and that is burning the lawn. As long as you use some common sense, follow the directions on the bag, don't apply the fertilizer when it's over 85 degrees and we haven't had rain in 2.5 weeks. Yes, if you spill the fertilizer in your lawn, it is going to burn. If it's something that you're truly concerned about, I would suggest looking for a product labeled as organic. They work great and there's no risk of burning your lawn, and you can use those until you're comfortable and want to switch over to a synthetic version. Well, that just about does it for this video. Thank you so much for checking it out. My name is Devin, the DIY Lawn Coach. If you have a comment, please leave that down below. I'd love to chat with you down there. And feel free to leave me a like and subscribe, as it really helps me grow this channel. Hopefully you enjoyed it. My name is Devin, the DIY Lawn Coach, and I can't wait to see you in the lawn.